Today's Hindu editorial that we are going to discuss is a no-win situation. The whole editorial is all about the JEE and NEET examinations, which are conducted for intermediate students and also for engineering students. The JEE is conducted for the intermediate student who have completed the second year, and they have been writing this exam for getting a free seat if they got any rank below. They will keep a specified rank for this. They will get if they get they will get a free seat from the universities, in which they can do their engineering or MBBS. So this is the way on which the intermediate students will get, and also the engineering students who have completed the fourth year has been writing the NEET exam, and also intermediate students have been writing this for joining in MBBS, as these two exams are only for the way to MBBS and engineering. So there is no other way there is no other way for studying MBBS in engineering, but also but they are not conducting in this pandemic, due to COVID-19 pandemic. They could not conduct because the COVID situation can be worse if they allow the students or any others to come to colleges and write the exam. So they are not allowing anyone, but they are deciding to start the examination, JEE mains and also the NEET examinations. So they are trying to do the best way, as there were no any transportations, as there were no public transportations and also any other transportations for traveling and staying in hotels. So it is a very big challenge for the people who had been coming from many villages and towns. Um as this COVID-19 pandemic has kept this total education ministry in an undesirable position. They have been understanding about the physical and physicalness of the aspirants or the students, as they have to face many struggle for attending the examination, and maintain the distance from one student to another student, and also many classrooms are required for conducting these type of exams. The Education Minister Ramesh Pokriyan has been kept this issue on JEE and NEET examination on politicians. Have they because they have been given a good idea for this, so they have kept this issue in politics. His argument in politics is, as many students are eagerly waiting to get a free seat in engineering or any universities, as they are waiting for examination, but also some students have been in the universities as they got their seat. So some students have been waiting for the JEE mains and NEET examinations. JEE mains and NEET examinations, uh, as they were downloaded their admit cards, or any pass to attend the JEE mains or NEET examinations. So there have been many students who have been downloading these admit cards. As Supreme Court said, we should not keep the students' career in risk, as we should not keep students' career in risk, as they should conduct the JEE mains and NEET examinations, but the proper precautions has to be taken by the government and also the colleges which are using to conduct these examinations, and also sanitization and many other progress should be taken by them, as the ground relatives have been proclaiming from other side. And the NEET has been conducting in 3,483 centers, and also in 155 cities in whole India. They have been conducting this NEET examination in 155 cities, and also the participant of these examination is 15.27 lakh students has been participating in this NEET examinations, as they should arrive to the centers, and also the people or the students who are in villages, they don't have any public transportations, as due to this pandemic, the public transportation has been closed, has been closed, so there is no public transportation, and villages has to face many struggles for attending the NEET examination. From 5 months onwards, the many universities deemed to be universities have been vacant, as there were no students coming to the colleges or universities, and also the government is saying the university may be closed until 1 year, as these universities has been vacant as there is no students in this from 5 months. Thank you.